begins here. These worn-out sandals provide the raw material for...
It's incredible what we can achieve with recycling. This used to be just another flip-flop, and now it's this high-performance football boot.
a new generation of high-performance footwear.
Truck 3 is loaded, 200 units.
Confirmed, I have the manifest right here.
All right, gentlemen, let's keep it moving. Keep rolling slow. Next one follows him straight into the bay. Pallet 42 Alpha, confirmed.
Looks good from here, all seals intact.
Roger that, moving to the next shipment.
Pallet 34B confirmed. Move it to aisle 7, level 4.
Watch the flow on the far side.
Got it, spreading it out now. Check the 5mm sieve. Are they passing cleanly?
Yes, the consistency is perfect. Trays are in. Check the temperature.
Still holding at 160. Timer's engaged.
Celsius coming off the mill.
And we're down to 45 here.
Tray 42, proceeding to Seoul manufacturing.
Confirmed. Data updated on manifest.
Ensure the alignment pins are secure before moving the mold to the press.
How are the tolerances on this run?
A little tight, but we're managing.
Thickness check complete, all within spec.
The pull test failed on number 7. Reject.
We've got 48 meters on this roll.
Noted. We need 3 cuts from the next one.
Using the heat gun makes the stiffener pliable before it's pressed firmly into the heel mold to set.
Make sure the toe is symmetrical. Looks good, moving to the heel now.
After the tunnel, we check every edge.
Ensure the tension is firm and the bars are straight.
Yes, we are checking every pair before they move to the next station.
Make sure you get around the studs there.
Yeah, I'm using the smaller cloth for that.
Check the alignment on the swoosh there.
Looks good. Match pair.
Send this one to the yellow bin. The stitching is uneven. Next.
Did the macro shot of the studs transmit clearly?
Yes, UK size 9. Gold studs look good.
Keep the pace steady. We have 3 more pallets to go.
All right, making sure every boot gets one packet. Upper surface, check. Blue pattern complete, check. Gold swoosh, good. Eyelid seated, laces correct, check. Outsole and studs uniform, check. Approved.
Here in the packaging room, workers carefully stuff the toe box with recycled tissue paper to ensure the shape is maintained during transit.
That's the final seal on this batch. They're ready to go.
This video
That's
has
the
been
last one,
created for
43 in
educational
total.
purpose using
Confirmed
AI
on my
tools.
end.
The
Looks
script
good,
and
seal it
ideas
up.
have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.